Look at the rain, y'all. Ooh, wee. I'm loving it. I am loving this rain. Come on down, y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It is so soothing. Can you guys hear this? Hey, it is May 1st, okay? First day of the month, y'all. And it's raining. Now, why would you pull up right next to me? You know what I'm saying? Blocking my view. What is wrong with people? You know what I'm saying? But guys, just listen to the raindrop. Hey, y'all. May 1st. April showers, Mayflowers. Guys, I just had to get on here and, oh, look at the birds. I just had to get on here and show y'all a little something. Okay. Y'all, excuse me, my throat is acting up. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys a little raindrops falling. Bye.